With the scene function, you can assign certain actions to your vehicle buttons. In this video, I will show you two examples of how to assign a scene or an action to a specific button in your vehicle. In the home view, we switch to scenes. With the edit button in the upper right corner, we activate the edit mode. In the upper left corner, click on the plus symbol to create a new scene. Now select the product for which we want to create a scene. In this example, we select our active sound. Now we define which function or action should be executed. We now select turn on off and choose which vehicle button we want to turn the active sound on and off. Here we take the resume button on the cruise control and then select hold for 2 seconds. The scene can now be saved and appears in the scene overview. Switch to the active sound section and press the selected resume button on the cruise control for 2 seconds. The active sound system will now turn off, and when the cruise control is held for 2 seconds, the system will turn on again. In the dashboard, the last executed scenes are displayed. By tapping on the scene, you can see when this scene was executed. Back in scenes, we can now deactivate, activate, or delete the scene via the edit button. In the second example, we again create a scene for the product active sound and activate a certain profile. Select the profile that should be activated and the button in the vehicle that should trigger this scene. This example, the profile Shelby Cobra, is selected via the drive select of the vehicle with the dynamic button. How it continues, you will learn in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always contact our support.